So continue. CF number 10. One who destroys the holy writings, violates the transgression, Dvarim 12:4. If you shall not do this to him, your God. One must therefore object to the bookbinders who paste into the book covers. There is tablets, pages of the holy writings. Pages of the holy writings. Commentary. Regarding these holy writings, for use as a binding, is an unacceptable slight to their honor. I'm not exactly sure. Like maybe I'm not sure where does it go. Not sure. I don't want to comment. Okay. One must also be careful when given old holy Sefarim to a non-Jewish craftsman to bind them anew. Okay. That he must take an old cover from them and hide them away, so that the craftsman will not use them to cover the secular books. So this cover that's worn out. I mean, today the books are not so expensive. Everybody have new books, but in olden days, so people the people could not afford books, and this cover, they were not as sophisticated, right? Not such a high quality as they do today. So they would get worn out, or maybe they learn more. Okay, that's guess what? Maybe they learn more than us. So they would get worn out, right? And you would need to replace this cover. So the Shulchan Aruch, the Kitzur is saying that if you give it to Jewish binder, right, to change the cover of the book, and he's a God-fearing person, there is no problem. He's going to bury it somewhere, right, or give you to bury it. But if it's non-Jewish, so you're not allowed to give it to him. I mean, he for sure he's going to reuse it. Maybe he's going to fix it and use it for non-Jewish book and stuff like that. So that's the problem. Okay.
Understand.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question about the holy books that you are not allowed to put near bathroom, a restroom. So what about a phone that have lots of application that contains holy books? It is the same?
No, there is no problem with this phone. If this application is not open on the phone, so it is hidden in double quotes and hidden, there is no problem. So you can take your phone into the bathroom. There is no problem.
And what about a phone that in the past might be used for idol worship? Can you keep it, or you must destroy it?
There is no problem with the phone. It's only like a phone for idol worship. It's some kind of application, I guess, is used for idol worship. So just delete this application. That's it. Is it what you mean, or you mean something else? I don't know.
Because I'm sure about LevLeib, and that is talking about young people, about the issues of guarding the brick. So he was talking that the screens that in the past were used for this idol worship.
Yeah.
And now they are used for watching Torah.
Yes.
So I'm not sure if a phone was used for that. You can keep it, or you must destroy.
Yeah. You can keep it. Phone is not of the utensil that can accept tumor. Right. So there's no problem with that. I mean, even though the parts of the metal, but it's you see these pictures, whatever the people were seeing, or this text, whatever they were reading, it's not physical. So there is, of course, it's spiritual. We understand spiritual damage, but they're not physical. So there is technically there is nothing to remove. Okay.